Hey there, is your health app acting up on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are a bunch of simple fixes you can try to get back on track. Let's walk through some easy solutions to troubleshoot and resolve the issues you're facing. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. This quick step can often fix temporary glitches. Sometimes, all it takes is a quick restart to solve temporary glitches. First, press and hold the power button, or the power plus volume button if you have an iPhone with Face ID, until you see the power off slider. Slide it to turn off your iPhone, then turn it back on. Solution 2. Check for iOS updates. Keeping your device updated can resolve many issues. It's important to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version since updates often fix bugs. Head to Settings, tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update and install any updates that are available. Solution 3. Force close and reopen the Health app. If the app is unresponsive, this step can help. If the Health app isn't responding or seems glitchy, give it a force close. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom and hold. If you have an older iPhone, double tap the home button. Then, swipe the Health app off the screen to close it and reopen it from your home screen. Solution 4. Check Health app permissions. Ensuring permissions are set correctly is essential. Make sure the Health app has the right permissions to collect data from other apps or devices. Go to Settings, scroll down, select Privacy and Security and tap on it. Tap on Health and ensure that any apps or devices syncing data to Health are enabled. Then, go back to Privacy and Security. Scroll down, select Motion and Fitness to check that fitness tracking is turned on. If it isn't, turn it on. Solution 5. Reset all settings. This can help clear out stubborn settings that might be causing the issues. If all else fails, you can try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, then go to General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. This will reset settings like your Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers but won't delete any data or apps. These steps should get your Health app back to working properly on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.